Talked about it a little bit earlier, but with the rainfall we're seeing across Tampa Bay, you can bet there's some spots that are seeing some flooding.
Yeah, always are when we get this much. The Now's Nicole Grigg was out with road crews before the storms, trying to keep the streets as safe, also as clear as possible.
Yeah, it goes to like...
David Rosenfield knows the first big rainfall, part of his street is going to flood.
Probably right about here.
And as history shows, it takes just a little rain to turn a street into a pond.
When it first starts raining, I'm like, okay, time to call them up.
He's talking about the Hillsborough County A-Team, dedicated to clearing out those dirty storm drains. Here's what's backing them up: a glass bottle, some old roller skates, and more debris.
And it's mainly a problem because I got my car there and the engine's like very low to the ground. I don't really want to get water in my engine, so.
The county is always out working to clear the drains, but as the clouds form above, they know it's them up against Mother Nature.
Great to see them actually come out and handle it. I really appreciate it.
And just like David called in the request to have his storm drains cleared out, you can do it online. If you just go to the county's website, you can also hit click report to report flooding on your street. For the Now, I'm Nicole Grigg.